pa lang sa channel na to, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell button.
Tuta! Manindog ta! At the start of Daman. Okay na?
Ano daw?
Okay na. Okay na.
Okay, ready na po mo sindangan?
At the start of counting 10.
Brother, oh.
Pag-ipatay yung ilaw dyan, mas maayo kung patay ang ilaw.
Sa diya sa kwan.
Sa tennis court.
Tennis court palihog mo off.
Bati ng ilaw sa tennis
Okay,
court.
kindly turn off the light.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Congratulations, Sindangan! You now have your dancing mountain! Everyone is grinning happily and proudly as they watch the centerpiece of Sindangan, the Wanda del Norte, the first in the province, our dancing fountain. The Sindangans are indeed very proud to have witnessed such events, the first in this history. Our very own dancing fountain in beautiful colors. Let us clap our hands for our dancing fountain that we finally have in Sindangan. The Philippine flag flag. Let us cheer for our dancing lady.
To dream the impossible dream, to fight the unbeatable foe, to bear with unbearable sorrow, to run where the brave dare not go, to right the unrightable wrong,
Dancing fountain is indeed
to
more
love
beautiful than
pure
flowers.
and chaste from afar, to try when your arms are too weary, to reach the unreachable stars. This is my quest to follow that star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, to fight for the right without question or force, to be willing to march into hell for a heavenly cause. And I know if I'll only be true to this glorious quest, that my heart will lie peaceful and calm when I'm laid to my rest, and the world will be better for this, that one man, scorned and covered with scars, still strove with his last ounce of courage to reach the unreachable star.
Is there Oh, we have technical issues right now, but don't worry, we can fix that. Just enjoy our day. So we already have our music again. Together, let us sing. We are the champions, my friends. Sing the mama, sing. We'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world. We are indeed one of the champions in Ghana. We have another music coming up. In the absence of our music, let us extend our gratitude to. We have the music back again, and let us enjoy once more our dancing, musical, colorful fountain.
Mirbo Kaloto.